Back to Let's Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge, Binary Agents. So this one is like spy oriented. We're going to receive a string as a binary and we're going to have to translate it into readable English. So this is going to be a multi-step program. First thing we're going to have to do is split the binaries up. So we want to make sure that we get this one and then this one separately and so on. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to have to translate these binaries into decimals so we're able to read them as their correct character code. So we're going to say split, convert to decimals. Then we're going to say that we need to get character from decimal and join characters. So we're going to start off by declaring an array that we're going to call cars, and it's going to be equal to string.split, and we're just going to split every element up. So that's what this means, is we're going to split on every single different, we're going to split on spaces, actually. So we're going to split here, and then we're going to split here. So the first element in our array is going to be this. That's going to be at index 0, and then at index 1, and so on and so forth. So we've done that. Now, next up, we're going to say cars.for each, and we're going to get our element and our index, and then for each of them, we're going to say cars.i. So we're going to change the element at the index that we're currently looking at to equal the decimal version of it. We're going to get that using the parseInt function, which is built in, and we're going to pass in the element and 2 because we want to get it in base 2 because we want it to decimal. And then we're going to come down here, and just to make it easier when we test this, we're going to add some console logs so you're able to see what happened. We'll say cars console.log cars. I should just copy paste that. We're going to throw another one down here, and then now we're going to get the character from our decimal. So again, we're going to say cars.for each element index. We're going to run a function on it. We're going to say cars I. So we're going to once again change the element in place in the array. But this time we're going to change it to equal string.for from character code. So we're going to pull the character code from that we've generated using this iteration up here. And we're going to pass in our element. And then down here, we're going to return cars.join. And we're going to join our elements with this empty thing, so with an empty string. So we're going to join them. Every single element's going to get joined together because our character codes will also contain the relevant spaces. So now we're going to add one last console log here to show that. So you can see what it's going to look like when it passes. And we're going to open up our console. Oops. Open up our console. And then we're going to run our tests. And we've passed it. And we can see here that we started off by splitting our string up into an array of separate binary numbers. Then that's what we did here in step 1. And then in step 2, we converted them to decimal numbers. That's what's going on here. They're integers. And then in step 3, we converted them to their relevant character codes. So character code 65 translates to a capital A, and we've done it for all of them, including our spaces. And then down here, we join them back together to form the string, and we return our string. So it matches, we've passed all the tests. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.